Friends, welcome to Time with Thebsian. This is the second episode on transplantation. It is in continuation with the information that in January 2022, humans started receiving organs from animals. Humans received a pig heart and another human received a pig kidney. These organs that were received from the pig were gene modified because using genetic engineering techniques, various genes that may create transplant rejection reaction in a recipient, in a human being, was modified so that the human body environment will accept it without much action to replace it or to reject it. In the episode 1, you heard about common medical terms in organ transplantation like autotransplant, allotransplant and xenotransplant. A genetically modified organism is an animal or plant or a microbe whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. Animals are genetically modified to meet some of the requirements of the things. Salmon fish is genetically modified so that it will reach the normal size and weight and taste of a normal adult salmon within 18 months. Some cows and goats are genetically modified to produce milk that is very like that of human beings. Some pigs are genetically modified to produce specific meat products for human consumption. All these changes are approved by Food and Drug Administration, United States of America. So the pigs which are intended for transplantation are bred in prepared enclosures, and the particular genes that will cause rejection will be knocked out by genetical methods so that when these pigs reach a particular age, their organs will be big enough for transplantation. When pigs' tissues are transplanted to human beings, it is heterogenic or xenotransplantation, and since it is genetically modified, the organs collected from these animals for a particular purpose will pose only minimum immune response in the host. Genetic engineering is the direct manipulation of an organism's genes, DNA. Genetic engineering is different from traditional breeding, where the organism's genes are manipulated indirectly. For example, Vechur Pashu, as example. There is no genetical engineering there, but by breeding only pure animals, together their strain is kept uncontaminated. If you look into the history, you can see that cattle, pigs, chicken, goat, sheep, dogs, cats, fish, rats and mice have been genetically modified by scientists to suit different requirements of human being. And most of the aim is to reach goals in medicine, drug manufacturing, surgery, etc. Genetically modified agricultural animals will be disease resistant, parasitic resistant, and they can withstand lot of stress. The beneficial trait can likely improve their well-being because they will be more productive. Such animals may need fewer veterinary interventions, use of special feed supplements or other growth stimulants which are administered to the normal animal in various forms. Friends, the second video is getting concluded here, and thank you for listening. And there is one more video, the final video on transplantation next week. So after listening to this episode, kindly send your questions or doubts to me. You can definitely call me anytime. It will be ideal that you call me after 8 o'clock in the evening. Up to 10 o'clock you are free to call me. So I am inviting you all to see the next video on transplantation next Friday. Thank you very much.